Hi there, students. In this video I wanted to look at the verb to squirt. A verb, a squirt, a noun, and then a squit and the squits. Okay, so to squirt, liquid squirts out. So I squirted some ketchup onto my hamburger. I opened the tap and the water squirted me. I squeezed the piece of lemon and lemon juice squirted in my eye. Psst. Yeah, so it's like a squirt is like a jet of liquid. Yeah, it's a fast stream of liquid. I came home to discover that a pipe had broken and there was water squirting all over the floor. Yeah, if you've got a water pistol, you could squirt somebody with your water pistol. Psst, 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 psst. Yeah, and this is the idea of squirt. Yeah, yeah. If you want to lubricate this, just give it a squirt of oil just here. Yeah, a little jet, a little flow of oil. Now, you can also refer to a person as a squirt. Yeah, very often you refer to a kid as a squirt. Yeah, maybe it's a bit old-fashioned, but it's pretty informal. Somebody who's not important, or maybe somebody who's you don't like very much. Yeah, yeah. If you call somebody a squirt, you're being nasty about them. You're being derogative. Yeah. That little squirt was digging in my garden again. Yeah. Okay. A squirt, a small, irrelevant, unimportant person. Yeah. A person of little significance. Yeah. So I'm sick of the boss treating me like a squirt. This is informal and British. Now you can also use a squit in exactly the same way. Yeah, he's just such a squit, little, insignificant, unimportant person. Somebody of no consequence. Yeah, okay, so generally a squirt, yeah, firstly it means small, not very big. So he's only a little squirt of a man, a small person. But you also use it just saying more generally somebody who's insignificant or contemptible. Okay, yeah, that squit, he just annoys me so much. And then finally we have the squits. Got to be plural, the squits. This is British slang for diarrhea. Yeah, ejecting a liquid in a stream. Okay, so I ate something I shouldn't last night and I've got a terrible case of the squits. I wouldn't eat that, it'll give you the squits. Very informal, probably something like 2.5 informality. We're really getting into the informal zone with this one. Okay, so to squirt, a jet of liquid that comes out of something. To squirt, to send a jet of liquid. I squirted toothpaste out of the tube. Give it a squirt of washing up liquid and it'll work fantastically. The water squirted pss, 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 everywhere. Yeah, if you squirt me with that water pistol, you little squirt, I'm going to get angry. So a kid, a young person, somebody who's small. Or also then negatively, yeah, I wish the authorities treat all of us as if we were squirts instead of people. And then a squit, yeah, the same. A contemptible little person. Yeah, it's got the idea of small, not physically very big. And then the squits is when you've got tummy problems. Yeah, you've eaten something you shouldn't and you've got diarrhea. Okay, so to squirt, as a verb, 5 informality, use anywhere. A squirt of ketchup, 5 informality. You little squirt, 3.5 informality. You little squit, you insignificant little squit, I'm sick of you, 3 informality. Yeah, and I've got a terrible case of the squits. I've got terrible squits, 2.5 informality. Okay, so let's see, what about origin? Okay, so to squirt, let's see, there's a Middle English word squirten, yeah, meaning to squirt. And it's probably a cognate of a Low German word, swirtgen, meaning to squirt as well. Okay, a squit is comes directly from squirt, and the squit's directly from squirt as well. Okay, so to squirt, to send out liquid. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Squirt, squit, the squits. It needs the.